Shut up. The flavor. No.
So go ahead, let me do something.
Put the ice cube right in the middle, sweetie. Measure with the heart.
Extreme pita.
I'm nervous again. Hello all. Today I am joined by... I'm sorry, I'm so nervous.
And together we're...
Okay. I'm Remy.
I'm Mia. I'm Alisha.
And we're Me Alisha.
We have to do this.
Hashtag Me Alisha. You guys, I would watch Me Larisha videos every day. My favorite Me Larisha collab was How to Be Tumblr. And my favorite line was hashtag my comments. Today, so sorry Lauren, miss you so much. I am replacing Lauren and we are making viral TikTok recipes. I got nervous again. I don't think you know how excited I am. Today we're gonna be making a salmon rice bowl, pasta chips, baked feta pasta, and popcorn chicken.
These are like viral on TikTok, right?
Yes. Some of them are a little late, but as usual, I am late to the trends, but I've always wanted to try them. So we're gonna do it today.
I love being in your cooking videos because that means I usually eat.
You get to eat? I was gonna say, come a little hungry. Do you guys know my Cooking with Remy slogan? On the count of three, we'll do it. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Let's get cooking! We're gonna begin with pasta chips. And action.
So I decided to make the pasta chips that are super trending right now. Honestly,
I want to eat it so badly.
They're such an easy midday snack. All you do is cook your pasta, let it drain, get nice and dry, toss it with your favorite seasonings. I made a little Italian seasoning and crushed red pepper flakes.
Yeah.
Toss it with a lot of Parmesan cheese and olive oil. Now I don't have an air fryer, so I did bake mine, but I think they turned out just as well, honestly. To make my marinara sauce, I added a little bit of Parmesan cheese and mozzarella and popped it in the broiler, and honestly, it was so good.
I'm gonna be honest, normally when I saw people make them, they just did like plain pasta. I like the sauce, the dipping sauce, and the seasonings on it.
Can we open one of the pastas so it's like...
You can do that if you want. Yeah, sure. Just one noodle.
What you can.
Okay.
I feel like it'd be good. What can your sous chefs do?
No.
She's like, don't touch anything.
We're going to begin by putting the pasta into the water. Everyone hold aside. 1, 2, 3. Now we cook the pasta and then we'll come back. While our pasta's cooking, we're gonna start on the next pasta recipe, which is baked feta pasta, which I have tried at Mia's house. And it was delicious, but I've never made it myself.
Thanks for the credit.
Everyone, this is so big for me.
Boil salt and pepper to a baking dish, then add a block of feta cheese right in the middle. Bake at 400 for 35 minutes. When it comes out, add some fresh garlic, fresh basil, and give it all a good mix. Then add some of that cooked pasta right on top and give everything a good mix once, and then it's time for the taste test.
Oh, easy.
No, so go ahead, let me do something.
Teach us, because you know.
Oh my god. First you pour it. First you pour.
How many? Can we do all 3?
Yeah.
Okay. Wait, you want to see my cool thing that I have? You squeeze, and it tells you how much olive oil to put in the top.
Where
and then
did
you just
get that?
Amazon, bitch. Is there enough?
Yeah.
I'm asking the girl that's made it.
Maybe a little bit more.
Okay. Oh, look how shiny the balls are. And then salt. Wait, bitch, it's not cheese time yet.
Oh, I put the cheese in.
Okay, salt, pepper, then we massage. Here you guys go. There you go.
Why does it like a duck?
Okay, that's good, that's good. Ooh. Who's gonna massage? Me?
Yeah.
Okay. Get a little pepper sound effect in the background. Now
when.
cheese.
Is it
Now
my
cheese.
time?
It's cheese time. It's cheese time. Okay. Good job.
Drizzle more olive oil and then put more pepper on the feta.
Yeah.
That's great.
Thank you.
It's called chiffonade.
Chiffonade.
Oh.
Okay, put that in this bowl, and we'll use that cutting board for the next thing. Popcorn chicken bites.
You're gonna start by cutting up your chicken thighs into little chunks and then throwing it in a bowl and seasoning it however you'd like. And then I'm gonna throw mine in the air fryer. You could also do this in the oven.
Doesn't it look so good? And they're not like breaded, it's just chicken. So Mia, what was your favorite Me Larisha video that you made? Who came up with Me Larisha?
I think by then we were already Isha-ing everything.
Were you guys just trolling also? Was
No,
it...
because back then when you collab, like everyone did a hashtag.
Oh, really?
Like, it was
I
a
wouldn't
thing.
know. I didn't have any friends. Our chicken is chopped.
Wow.
Miss Mia, can you please get me a bowl?
Yes, where is it?
And we put this in. Oh, clean this so we don't get salmonella. I'm so excited about these chips. Cooked. perfectly. Back to the pasta chips. Would you like to put the oil
I would
on?
love.
Thank you.
On what?
On here. Gorgeous. Ooh.
So gorgeous.
Look at that. And then now we season. Garlic powder. I have very little onion powder left, but I'll use the rest of this. Ooh, that was good. Salt. Italian seasoning.
Wow.
Ooh, that looks good. Cheese now. Oh shit.
Hell yeah.
And then we mix. Get all in there. Beautiful.
Oh, this smells so good.
That's really good. The flavor.
So good.
Now we transfer. We might have made too much.
Nah.
Now we're gonna put this in the oven. Slide in there, baby.
Multitasking
Yep.
is amazing. I'd be like, okay, noodles are done. Remy, what's a recipe that you've made that you hyped up on camera to be good when it wasn't?
Nothing. Everything I make. No, I'm just kidding. The chicken and waffles were not very good, and I didn't eat them on camera because I had tasted them off camera, and they were kind of dry, and so I didn't eat it on camera. And all the comments were like, "So we know it's not good." I was like, "Ooh." You want to wear these now?
Yes.
Thank you, sweetie. We are back with our chicken. We're gonna season. We've got garlic powder. I love when they don't tell me how much.
Because then you can just do whatever you want.
Measure with the heart. We've got garlic powder. We've got salt. Gorgeous. We've got paprika. Hers looked very red, so I feel like a good amount of paprika. Fun fact, paprika comes from what vegetable?
I have no idea. Red pepper?
Yes! A little bit of red pepper flakes. A little bit of duck. I saw that she does baking powder instead of like flour or adding anything to like dredge and fry. So just some baking powder and some mayo to bind. That looks good. And then you mix. Get in there. That's gonna feel so good. Okay.
She's sterile.
Now I've got my air fryer trays, and we're just gonna put the chicken on the air fryer trays and then put it in the oven.
So you don't have to spray those or anything?
No, they're non-stick.
And the mayo acts as an oil.
That looks good.
Yeah, thanks.
That looks great.
Yay.
Okay, now I'm gonna pop these in the air fryer. Our tomatoes and feta are out of the oven. They look blistered and delicious.
They look so good.
We hit it with the broil. They didn't tell us to do it, but we did it. We took it upon ourselves to hit it with the broil. Gorgeous. Hand chopped by
We need
Alisha
more.
Marie. More than that?
Right? Yeah.
Okay. We gotta chop more than that. Time to mix. Ooh. I'm gonna be honest, I'm not the biggest feta fan.
See, I was until I worked at Extreme Pita. I think that's where I learned how to like mix random things together. Because I'd be like, I'm bored of this. What do I make?
But also they had some really weird ones there that were like
The-
barbecue chicken, wasn't traditional.
Oh, you've been there?
Yeah, girl, I would
Remember?
go in college.
Yes. I'm from Corona. Why does this remind me of the pasta at Disneyland and pizza?
It's
Port?
the noodles. It's the noodles.
noodles.
It's the
You
chicken,
know what I'm talking
chicken,
about?
chicken, something,
Ah.
something. Okay, I'm ready to eat.
That looks great.
That looks so good. Mmm, yum. Fork, fork, fork.
It's funny because if I did this video, it would literally be like the random little like, eat a chip in this. But like yours is like
But I
gourmet.
like yours. 1, 2, 3.
That's good. It could use a little more garlic, I think.
It's good. It's not great though.
I think it's
I think
great.
it's great.
You think?
Yeah.
I'm just not really a tomato pasta person in general. You know what I would do? I would throw this back in the oven and bake it for
Yeah.
a while so it gets
Should we do
crispy
that?
on top. Yeah, let's try.
This is cooking with Loche.
Oh my god!
Yeah, just put the
Wait,
whole
did we say
bag.
more seasoning? Should we do more garlic salt
Yeah, more
maybe?
garlic.
Okay.
You just gotta doctor shit up sometimes, you know?
Mmm. More seasoning? More Italian too?
Just more.
We want more. We
Just
want
more.
more.
Yes.
More is more. That's what my mom said.
instead of
You know
less
how they
is
say
more.
less is more? My mom would always say more is more.
I can't wait for these. I know. I
Okay.
want the brownest one.
I don't normally
Dips.
agree with your love for burnt things. In this recipe, I do.
She crispy.
2, 3. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
A cracker.
It's like a crouton.
Mm-hmm.
I don't like crouton. Me not knowing if I like them and eating 5.
I like it. Grows on you.
I love a crunch. Yeah, it's good.
Anybody want to try the sauce? These are so good.
Oh, baby.
Ooh. No,
I don't love the sauce, but
I don't like sauce. Mmm.
I fuck with this.
Okay, chicken nugget time. I will say these look like Chick-fil-A nuggets or something
They smell good.
without the like frying necessary, which is great. Cheers.
Cheers.
It's chicken.
Polynesian though.
The honey mustard makes
I
it
know, I'm
better.
like, the buffalo is great.
I mean, let's be honest. It's just a vessel to get sauce into your mouth. So in that regard, it is
Excellent.
good. Right?
But compared to like me just regularly cooking chicken for
It is
lunch,
more fun.
I do like the nugs.
Yeah, I like the nugs, and I feel like in a salad, this will be good.
Oh,
Bitches!
wow!
I got the hot stuff, baby, I need it. We have saved the best for last. You've all probably seen Emily Mariko on TikTok. Have you seen Emily Mariko on TikTok?
Big fans.
Have you seen?
Yes.
Yes. She's made the salmon rice bowl super famous.
Oh,
Blowing
yeah.
Okay, salmon first, then you do that, then you
Mash.
put that in, then you put that in, and then you put the ice cube. Single ice cube.
So it doesn't dry out. Oh. Is that the ice?
Why doesn't the ice melt? Science.
A little bit.
A little, but not enough.
How long did she cook it though?
I don't know, she doesn't say.
That is such a me meal.
Doesn't look that appetizing.
It looks so good.
But like, I'm sure it'll taste good. It just doesn't look that appetizing.
good.
One time I asked Alisha what her meal would be, her last meal on earth, and this bitch said a salad with rice.
I was trying to be realistic.
I think about it a lot more than I should. Okay, we got our salmon. I don't think I'll like the texture.
Really?
And then she gets her rice, which we put in the fridge so it would dry out. Because this to me is like, it looks like a leftover meal for her. Yeah, put the rice in. You need a single ice cube. Put the ice cube right in the middle, sweetie. And you go like this. And you go, ooh, yeah.
Wow.
And then we microwave for we're not sure how long. I think like a minute maybe. Good job. Parchment paper. Ah! The ice has done nothing.
No, it has.
Scientifically tell me why we put the ice in there. No, bitch. Literally nothing happened.
It's the same.
It's the same size. Now we do Kewpie mayo. What kind of mayo is Kewpie mayo, Mia?
Japanese.
Love. So Japanese mayo is just like a little bit more tangy and honestly tastes way better.
Is that good?
Yeah, that looks good. Gorgeous. Ooh. Wow. Then we mix. Is there like a Japanese meal that's kind of like this?
It could be like the inside of a rice
Oh,
ball.
yes. Onigiri. It's kind of like a deconstructed onigiri because you wrap it in the seaweed. Oh my gosh. So now we take our seaweed. I don't know if she uses Korean or Japanese or like what kind of seaweed. This is Korean seaweed.
I love Korean.
Me too. I prefer it over the Japanese kind. And then you just put it in and you scoop it up. I feel like you're gonna love. Oh, she wrapped it so cute.
Oh, damn it.
1, 2, 3. I mean, it's not bad. It's just nothing groundbreaking, I don't think, right?
I think it also
It tastes
needs more
exactly
flavor.
how you like expect.
Maybe sriracha.
Yeah.
I think more
A little
sriracha.
more
I think
spice.
more mayo too, honestly.
Okay.
Because it tasted like everything separate.
Mm-hmm.
Like it tasted like.
We need them to meld. She also does kimchi and avocado. Maybe that'll help.
But like really good.
1, 2, 3.
That helped a lot.
Much better.
Oh my god.
I think I'd prefer it though if the salmon weren't cooked. Like I like the raw, raw salmon. Don't you think so?
Yeah.
It's not bad though.
That's good mayo.
Great use of leftovers too. I have to give that to her.
Not the biggest sriracha fan.
Really?
Then that
Ooh,
no.
that's
That's a
spicy.
little, like,
We made that spicy. Keep going, girly. All you. Well, hope you guys enjoyed this video. On Alisha's channel, we're doing Who Knows Alisha Better. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Bye. Let's get cooking.
Let's get cooking.
Hashtag
Hashtag me, Alisha.
I hated that.
I forgot about that.